Gumagano pa ako eh. Hey guys, good morning. So today we are going to the happiest place on earth. This will be my first time visiting a Disneyland, to be honest. And ako growing up, hilig ako manood ng mga cartoons, Donald Duck, a lot of Disney characters and Disney princesses. I feel like I'm gonna cry if I see them. We booked this, guys, via Klook. Ilalagay ko na lang yung link sa description box below. Actually, makakasave kayo kapag group kayo or marami kayo na pupunta ng Disneyland. We booked yung Banda the 4. I think we got discount. Apat-apat, tapos may meal voucher. Anyway, so nag-ayos lang ako ngayon. It's already 10:30 a.m. Hindi ko sure kung ano magiging reaction ko. Feeling ko parang siguro magiging bata ulit ako. Like, super happy ako, ganon. Let's go! Yeah, actually, we're making our own coffee. And we just bought some beans and then dinala na lang namin dito. So we actually booked this ticket, guys, via Klook. Ipapresent na lang namin yung QR code. Lalagay ko na lang yung link sa description box below. Yeah, oh my god, so you just have to scan your QR code from Klook or kung saan nyo siya nabili. Oh, make sure pala, guys, to bring an umbrella with you guys and also a bottle of water to hydrate and shades or cup kasi medyo mainit. Gogi, ang ganda ni Belle. Kita mo na buhok niya. Totoo kaya yan? Naka-veneer siya. At dito papasok pala. Ang daming ride! So guys, if you bring your kids, they will surely enjoy it. Kasi may mga rides for the kids and meron din for adults. Not only that, meron din sila mga parade later ng mga Disney princesses and Disney characters. I'm living my fairy tale dream. So may mga waiting time lang, guys, sa line. If you want na maka-rides kayo lahat and masulit nyo talaga yung buong araw nyo dito sa Disney, you can avail the VIP pass. Mas okay ng ganitong araw kaysa Sunday. Tiyate yung ride, sabi nila akala mo chill lang. Pagdating sa loob, hindi. Wow! Our first ride, the Frozen! O, ito parang may pila. 10 minutes. Ayun, pwede nyo i-download yung mga photos nyo or i-avail for souvenirs. Ay, si Olaf! Cute! First ride doon, it was super chill and hindi siya masyado nakakatakot, guys, I swear. May part lang na nakagulat. For the first time in forever. Matutuwa yung mga pamangkin ko pagka nandito. Tignan mo yung mga bata, naka-costume sila. Olaf ice cream! Ito, Olaf muffin. Pastries inspired by the Frozen. Yan guys, so make sure to come in Mondays. Tapos walang mga holiday or not peak season. Ang bilis lang ng pila. guys. Hindi naman sobrang scary for me. Mga 30 seconds lang yung rides. As in, ganun kabilis. And hindi ganun ka-bilis din yung speed niya. Sanay kayo sa mga EK rides. Ganun. That's so fun! Plastic. Tignan mo yung mga kids. Nakakostume sila. Ang cute. Actually, pwede ka naman mag-costume din dito. Kahit adult ka na. Diba? Be a kid. Heal your inner child. Ganon. Ito pala guys, kung wala kayong power bank, mayroon mga power bank rentals here. You can just download the app, register, and then return. Kasi, if you're gonna spend the whole day here at the park, at tapos video and pictures kayo most of the time, talagang mag-drain yung battery nyo. Ako, I have my power bank here na. I'm actually using Rapao from Lazada. It's super lightweight, compact, and liit lang niya actually. Pero it can charge my phone for the whole day. Lalagay ko na yung link sa description box below. Ay, no, naming mga kids. Ayan, pwede rin pala yung may mga wheelchairs, strollers. And also guys, bring an umbrella kasi mainit. So, yung mga pagkain. So, we are here at Golden Inn to buy lunch. So, dahil gutom na ako dito, walk na. So, I ordered the chicken roll with mashed potatoes and side dish. And then 1 bottle of water. I'm gonna use my meal voucher worth 160 Hong Kong dollars. And then pay the difference na lang. Kasi 213 yung chicken roll. For the meal voucher lunch pala guys, you have to avail it before 4 p.m. Otherwise, hindi nyo na siya pwedeng gamitin. One more. Yan, so nag-add na lang ako ng $58 for my total $218 for the meal. Ito pala guys, you can choose between lollipop and popcorn for your free snack. Ayan, may frozen something. The lollipop for your snack if nag-avail kayo ng with meal voucher. Oh, yung cute naman nito. Pwede ito sa pamangkin ko. Mahilig kayo sa Spider-Man, Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse. Ayan, may mga hat din. Pero actually guys, meron din ito sa Lazada. Ililink ko na lang sa description box below. I'm so happy. This is my first time here in Hong Kong Disneyland. Nakakatuwa kasi hindi ganun katagal ang waiting time and hindi ganun kadami yung tao. Unlike what I've experienced in Universal Studios. Like, sobrang tagal ng waiting time namin lagi. Like, 1 hour, 30 to 45 minutes. Pero dito, it's like 15 minutes, okay na, nakakasakay na kami. Let's go to our next ride! Hyperspace Mountain! Sobrang dilim. Sobrang dilim ng space. Boom. Nonchalant pa rin. Para sa akin, to manage your expectation, medyo madilim lang siya. Yun lang yung nakakatakot na part nun. Kasi hindi mo alam like kung saan kayo napupunta. Merong konting-konting lights like yung mga galaxy and stars. But not that extreme if you've tried Universal Studios Japan. Off to our next ride! Iron Man! We're done with the Iron Man ride. So mostly we're just watching a certain situation where Iron Man saves the day. 3D siya guys. So kung medyo mahihilahin kayo and may problem kayo with visuals, yeah, this is not the right ride for you. Yan, dito naman tayo sa may Ant-Man Wasp. For our next ride, ito naman baril-barilan. Nakailang rides na kami? 4, 5. Pag birthday nyo pala guys, pwede kayo maghingi ng birthday badge para at least lahat ng tao babatiin kayo ng happy birthday pag may nakalagay or nakadikit dito na birthday badge. Thank you.
pala guys, may free snack na kasama dun sa meal voucher. Yung ice cream bar. Pwede ka mamili ice cream bar or popcorn. I chose the ice cream bar kasi ang init. Yeah.
Hi.
Uy, nandito ka pala. Coincidence.
Yeah.
Nagkataon. Let's go. Sana maiksi lang yung waiting time. Malalaman mo hindi extreme yung rides kasi yung mga bag nyo, okay lang na dala-dala nyo. Walang pa-locker. Kahit cellphone mo, bahala ka. Unlike dun sa Universal Studios, yung ibang mga rides may locker talaga. Bawal may earrings, bawal may accessories. Ang saya! Sobrang saya. May mga turns na hindi mo inaasahan. Yun lang yung masasabi ko. Overall, ang ganda rin kasi ng view. Hindi siya gano'n na nakakatakot for me. Kasi ako na-try ko na halos lahat ng mga nakakatakot. So parang yung ibang ride sa akin, parang lesser na. Yun yung mga kagandahan kapag ka natatry mo na yung sobrang extreme rides. Pero kung hindi, first time yung makakasakay ng mga ganitong rides, it would be scary for you and shocking. So, yeah, manage the expectations. Parang nakatingin na lang ako the whole time. Dati pinipikit ko pa yun eh. Sigaw pa ako, like, wala na ako nakita sa ride. Ngayon nakabukas na yung mata ko, tapos gumagano pa ako, ka muna, naramdaman ni ate na parang gusto namin yung front. Sabi ng mga spirits sa kanya, makipag-swap ka, takot ka. Kinausap kami ni ate, do you want a front seat? Because I'm scared. Oh, yes! Sure! Of course, we're gonna do it for you. Ayun yung mga magandang rides, nagigising ako. Mickey Mouse. Kaya pala. Cute naman. 2 or more na ako 70 off. Magkano na lang yun? Sa may Mystic Manor to guys ha. Katabi ni Mystic Manor. Ito yung gift shop. Super discounted. Pero the other items are not sale. Just the t-shirts or clothes. Yung bang mga accessories, yan. Normal price. Magnet. Woo! Toy Story na! And mga rides for the kids. Ito parang ang cute. Ito naman, parang ikot-ikot lang na Caterpillar. Bilis! Like ilang seconds lang, B. Tapos na. Pero ang saya. Medyo nakakalula lang. Medyo scary siya ng konti. Ice cream! Let's buy all of ice cream. For 70 Hong Kong dollars. All of ice cream! This is our last meal voucher, guys. It's 160 for dinner. Included pa rin siya dun sa Klook voucher. We have to avail it after 4:30 p.m. or 30 minutes before the restaurant close. So I ordered the roasted chicken for 160 Hong Kong dollars. Waiting for the fireworks display at 8 p.m. Siguro mga 7:30 or 7 p.m. maghanap na kayo ng spot nyo na uupuan or pagsastayan for you to watch the fireworks display. It's included with the ticket here in Hong Kong Disneyland. Ah, it looks so magical!